Tom could talk Mary into doing that. Tom could talk Mary into doing that. Will Tom ever make money doing that? Will Tom ever make money doing that? Tom is still planning on doing that. Tom is still planning on doing that. Is Tom still planning on doing that? Is Tom still planning on doing that? I knew Tom wouldn't like doing that. I knew Tom wouldn't like doing that. Tom seemed to be through doing that. Tom seemed to be through doing that. Tom said he was finished doing that. Tom said he was finished doing that. Tom has been planning on doing that. Tom has been planning on doing that. Tom may get punished for doing that. Tom may get punished for doing that. Tom wasn't doing that the right way. Tom wasn't doing that the right way. I thought Tom was through doing that. I thought Tom was through doing that. Didn't you know Tom liked doing that? Didn't you know Tom liked doing that? Tom won't be finished doing that yet. Tom won't be finished doing that yet. Tom will be interested in doing that. Tom will be interested in doing that. Tom might be excused from doing that. Tom might be excused from doing that. Tom is still not finished doing that. Tom is still not finished doing that. Tom has been punished for doing that. Tom has been punished for doing that. Tom has been arrested for doing that. Tom has been arrested for doing that. Tom doesn't have any help doing that. Tom doesn't have any help doing that. Tom doesn't blame you for doing that. Tom doesn't blame you for doing that. Tom could be punished for doing that. Tom could be punished for doing that. Tom could be forgiven for doing that. Tom could be forgiven for doing that. Tom thought that Mary would be doing that. Tom thought that Mary would be doing that. Tom obviously doesn't like doing that. Tom obviously doesn't like doing that. Tom obviously didn't enjoy doing that. Tom obviously didn't enjoy doing that. I'm through doing that, but Tom isn't. I'm through doing that, but Tom isn't. I'm not sure that Tom is doing that now. I'm not sure that Tom is doing that now. I suspect Tom didn't really enjoy doing that. I suspect Tom didn't really enjoy doing that. I suspect Tom will probably regret doing that. I suspect Tom will probably regret doing that. I suspect Tom doesn't really enjoy doing that. I suspect Tom doesn't really enjoy doing that. I know Tom is doing that now. I know Tom is doing that now. Tom said Mary saw John doing that. Tom said Mary saw John doing that. Tom plans on doing that by himself. Tom plans on doing that by himself. Tom said he'd try doing that today. Tom said he'd try doing that today. It seems like Tom likes doing that. It seems like Tom likes doing that. Tom still has to finish doing that. Tom still has to finish doing that. Tom said he now regrets doing that. Tom said he now regrets doing that. Tom is supposed to stop doing that. Tom is supposed to stop doing that. Tom is likely doing that right now. Tom is likely doing that right now. Tom has decided to stop doing that. Tom has decided to stop doing that. Tom has been doing that since 2013. Tom has been doing that since 2013. Tom wanted Mary to stop doing that. Tom wanted Mary to stop doing that. I never forgave Tom for doing that. I never forgave Tom for doing that. Tom could stop Mary from doing that. Tom could stop Mary from doing that. Tom advised Mary to stop doing that. Tom advised Mary to stop doing that. Is Tom planning on doing that today? Is Tom planning on doing that today? Why is Tom interested in doing that? Why is Tom interested in doing that? Tom didn't need any help doing that. Tom didn't need any help doing that. Tom says Mary didn't like doing that. Tom says Mary didn't like doing that. Tom says he's planning on doing that. Tom says he's planning on doing that.